I'm preparing rajma chawal, but there is a twist. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm in recording it from my kitchen, and I decided to do so because I'm preparing something very different. And yeah, I'm preparing rajma chawal, but there is a twist, so stay tuned to know what I'm preparing. So let's just get started. guys, my cooking is finished. I have finished making this rajma with chicken sausage. It's already done. And then I have rajma here, which is also done, and I'm quite happy with the taste, and I hope you enjoy this video. I like to keep my food a little spicy because I cannot eat anything else other than this, so I will be having this chicken sausage with rajma and also a little bit of salad. And for my husband and my daughter, I have made rajma and chawal, and there is a little bit of aloo cut, which is we're gonna make aloo bhujia. If you guys know, if you guys are familiar from north side, so I'm gonna make aloo bhujia and some jeera rice. That's it. So yes guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and my daughter just finished her classes, so I'm gonna get going now. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye guys.